335.27 down. 485.75 Nvidia up. 483 down. Mara, let's see. 1704 up. 1638 down. I know this is a big range. That's because we had a lot of movement. Soxel, the new one today. Soxel right here. 28.75, which is around the 78. 28.75 up. 28.39 down. Microsoft 375.77 up. 374.13 down. The Qs I want to see above 406 or below. Yeah, we're just going to go here. Or below 405. Last one, AMD. Don't forget, digital thank you cards are available. You guys are awesome. AMD 193.28 up. 138.18 down. That's all of them.
With Soxel and the Qs being attached to other stocks, how does that pre-market spread play? How do you read that?
Just using how much it moves typically in a day. If you look at it, right, you can see yesterday obviously was a monster day at $1, but typically Soxel's only running like 40 cents, right?
Yeah.
So if you look at the range that we've got in here, I mean, 28.77 to 28.40, that's almost right on the money, right?
Yeah, but because it's attached to the, the chip
That won't matter.
stocks.
Yeah, that don't matter. Yep.
Okay. All right.
That don't matter at all. Yep. Just remember it runs when they do, right? It's just like the S&P. It runs on the Power 7. This does the same exact thing.